Hey folks, welcome back to Todd Bosley's world famous YouTube channel. Tonight we have lots of new things that are now going to be available at Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. Let's start with these Mercury dimes. We've got tons of them. Check it out. Not going to get them all out. There's various years, just rolls and rolls of these. Kind of show you what we have. A lot of what they call junk silver, 90% dimes. We have loads and loads of them available. Give you a little shot of them there. These are just some of what we have to offer right now. Quite a few silver dollars in stock. These have come in, priced affordably. Give you some shots of them. We've been buying a lot this week. So once we buy it, we have to hold it for a certain period of time, and then it becomes available. So these videos, I kind of wait until they're available to be sold to show them to you. Check those out. We have two really nice silver dollars. This is the 21p. That's plain. Very nice coin. Priced affordably if you're looking for this kind. 1928 piece dollar. You don't see either of these coins very often. These are very low mintage. Hard to find. This one here is very toned. The other one's pretty clean. None of these have been cleaned. They're in all great shape. Lots of good stuff going on at Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. Okay, we got, I think these are V nickels. Yep. Just all kinds of these in a tube. I've got several tubes of these available if you're interested. A lot of you guys collect coins. Some of you don't. If you don't, you should start because silver is about to take off. Today we got almost a $2 jump in silver. And that's really great news. Silver has been undervalued for many years. Most of you remember that it went to $50 at one time. And now it's back down around the $20 mark. Many experts predict that it's going to go very, very high as 100 or more. I think it could actually go higher than that. I think a lot of the problem with silver right now is that silver is being deflated by Wall Street and the paper money. And one of these days, it's all going to catch up. So I'm putting a big bet on silver. Silver's going to be a good one. I'm just showing you quickly some of the coins that have come in that are available. These are all priced affordably. So if you're looking to add to your collection, we have some nice stuff. We carry a lot of foreign coins too, which I really like. Some people don't understand them, but if you look online, you'll see that a lot of the foreign stuff outperforms the American coins. Not always, but a lot of times. It's a nice V nickel right here, 1908. These would all make great Christmas presents. These are things that you can give your kids, your family, your grandkids. And it's not a toy. It doesn't get broken and thrown away. These are things that become family heirlooms that last for years and years. This is a 1941 Mercury dime. It's not that expensive. This is a couple dollar coin or less. But think about that. Where are you going to find one of these? Rarely do you ever see something like this. Give you a shot of this here. These are Kennedy halves. 64s, 90% silver. Fairly common. I mean, they're not that rare, although you can't really get one unless you buy it through a coin dealer or online somewhere. But even still, It's a 90% silver coin. This was the last year that they produced the 90% silver. And again, I go back to this coin is 90% silver, and silver is going to go up. So right now you can buy it at a very inexpensive price. Down the road, it's going to be very pricey. Believe me when I tell you that. I probably say this in every video, but I just want to say it one more time. You can't make an electric car, you cannot make a solar panel, and you cannot make a battery that goes into an electric car without silver. The largest silver mine in the country has been shut down because it costs $35 an ounce to get silver out of the ground. Silver trades at a little over $20 an ounce. You don't have to be any mathematician to understand why silver is a good deal and a good thing to buy. It's a good thing to speculate on. And you know what? Let's look at it like this. Even if it only appreciates at a small amount of money, let's just say it only gains 2 or 3% a year. Where are you going to find something that has this kind of quality? I mean, this is a quality collectible. This is a 90% silver piece. This is a 1921 silver dollar. These are becoming harder and harder to find. Now, granted, there's lots of them out there, but they're very hard to find. And people that own them, typically, they don't sell a whole lot of them. This is a 1951 Benjamin Franklin half dollar. You can buy this for about $8, roughly. But let's just say that this coin, and let's just say that silver goes from the $20 to, let's just say it goes to $50. Now you're going to be paying $20 for this coin, not $8. And that's the power of silver. It can go up and down very quickly. It's volatile. Don't get me wrong. It can really go up and down, and it can go up and down very quickly. But silver has the greatest potential to go up. Just giving you some of the things that have come in this week. We get lots of cool stuff in. If you're a penny collector, here's a different kind of penny. This is a 1995 steel penny. You don't see too many of those. Here's a barber quarter. A silver quarter. You can hear that sound. When you hear that sound, you know it's silver. This is a Roosevelt dime. This is another V nickel. These make great stocking stuffers. They make great presents. We'll have them all cleaned up and in nice holders for you. You can see these silver quarters. A lot of people are starting to buy this kind of silver. Before, it's just been people buying purified ounces. But now it's starting to be, there's a lot more interest in what they call junk silver, which I'm not really sure why they call it junk silver, because there's nothing junky about it. I mean, it was made by the United States government. It's in good shape. This is a silver nickel. Most people probably have never seen this. So in 1945, I think it was 42 through 45, they needed silver on the front lines. They needed nickel on the front line, so they started making nickels out of silver. So if you look at the Monticello and you see the mint mark above the Monticello there, you can see the P for Philadelphia. That tells you that that is a silver dime or a silver nickel. These are hard to find. They're not that expensive. I mean, a nickel like that is probably a couple bucks or less, depending on the spot price of silver. But what a great piece. Lately, we've been getting a lot of these sets in. This is the 1952 set. So it goes from the half dollar to the quarter to the dime to the nickel. And the penny, this particular one is a wheat penny. Now, speaking of pennies, this week I got in a lot of really nice Indian head pennies. These are one of my favorites. I've done several videos on these. And if you can see the color of this penny, this is what they call a red penny. See how nice that is? So the reds are the most expensive. Then you start to get into like the red, brown, and then you get into the brown. These are not real expensive right now, but definitely getting much harder to find. 1888, 1906. This one almost looks like a steel, but it's not. It's just a dark brown. These are really nice. A lot of people like these. I personally have a nice collection of these. Like them a lot. We'll get into the next bag. We just have so many coins right now. We're just like overflowing with them. So these are the 65 through 69 Kennedys. As you can hear that sound. Not quite like the regular silver. These are 40% silver. A lot of people buy these. So this is the only coin that was made in silver from 65 through 69. The quarters, the dimes, and even the nickels, they were all made of just, regular composite. But this still has 40% silver in it. So a lot of people like these. These are fairly common, but they're getting harder to find. Show you my card real quick. I'm Todd Bosley, Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. We buy and sell daily. So if you have anything that you're interested in buying or selling, hope you'll get a hold of me. My number is 330-323-9775. A lot of people will text me. So if you have any kind of coin or collection, I buy everything. I'm not just into coins. I do paper money. I do sports cards. Anything that's antique, old, rare, hard to find. That's what I deal in. So these are some pretty common things. We have like just bags and bags of foreign money and coins. There's just tons of new things that have come in. We almost always have the Franklin halves. These are a good way to buy silver, inexpensive. Some are nicer than others. But again, they're all 90% silver. I just really like the Franklin half. Always have. Actually, I like it better than the Kennedy half. Just look at the clarity to it and how nice it is. And I love that sound. You can just hear the sound of silver. So like I was saying, we have lots of Indian head pennies in stock. If you're interested, these are priced very affordably. They make great presents. They make great keepsakes. And almost year after year, these pennies continue to go up. There's been a lot of controversy about, the Indians and, all that different kind of stuff. But this really does pay homage to the American Indian, and it's very respectful and nice. It's one of my favorite coins, and we just have loads and loads of them in stock. Here's some more different things that we have. Again, foreign, a lot of the newer modern stuff. We have a lot of error coins, that kind of thing in stock. So anyways, just wanted to show you kind of what's new this week at Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. We're located inside of the Bargain Barn at 9635 Ravenna Avenue, Louisville, Ohio. If there's anything that you want to buy or sell that I want to talk to you, give me a chance. We pay the most and we sell the most affordably. I really have the philosophy that I don't have to make it all in one day. This started out as a hobby for me, and I really enjoy it. Like, I really love looking at these coins. I have my own personal collection, which is really great. And if you have something that's really rare and unique, I'm interested in seeing it. because I want to pay you the most I can for it, and I want to put it either in my personal collection or put it in one of my people's personal collection, and that's how you get the most money out of things. Todd Bosley, Ohio Trading Coin and Jewelry. Hope you'll give me a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, folks. Bye bye.